Welcome back to Good Day. April is Financial Literacy Month, and while you're brushing up on some smart money habits, don't forget about one of the biggest expenses, which is health care.
Medical costs are rising year after year, and for many people, the price of care can be a real barrier. In fact, new data from America's health ranking shows that in 2024, 11% of adults skipped needed health care because of that cost.
The good news, though, there are ways to get the care you need without breaking the bank. Joining us to share some tips and strategies to help you save from United Healthcare, Dr. Rhonda Randall. Doctor, thanks so much for being with us here on Good Day.
Thank you for having me.
Well, let's start out with just some tips as people are trying to navigate the ongoing healthcare costs and rising for many people year after year. We're starting a new year, new insurance deductibles, all kinds of things we have to take into consideration. How do you juggle all of that, especially with a cost you don't really know? It's hard to budget for that.
Well, there are some resources that can help you shop for healthcare, and they're becoming more and more available. Price transparency is very important for us to have an idea up front what our healthcare costs are going to be, rather than what we're accustomed to is until you get the bill in the mail, you might not know how much something costs. So we have price transparency tools for United Healthcare members. And in addition to that, some employers are starting to offer more modernized health plans. One of those is Surest from United Healthcare that eliminates deductibles and makes it transparent to you up front, either in an app or on a website, displaying that lower cost for the providers that deliver high quality at more cost efficient care. And people who are enrolling in plans like this are saving 50% off of traditional plans. So you can talk to your employer about what benefits might be available to you.
And how do you recommend people take advantage of financial incentives in their own healthcare plans?
You might be eligible for rewards for doing things like your wellness activity. And in addition to that, some people who have chronic conditions, a common one like type 2 diabetes, United Healthcare's Level 2 program uses wearable technology and customized clinical support like a health coach to help people living with chronic conditions.
Now, we don't often think about the benefits outside of our insurance plans, but besides, taking advantage of the medical visits, what other benefits should people be aware of?
A couple I always tell people to look into are dental, vision, and hearing. I'll just spend a minute on dental because it's an important one. Many dental plans are going to cover preventative care, and we know that not only is this good for your oral health, it's good for your overall health when you're getting those annual dental checkups. So you can also talk to your employer about programs that might offer you incentives, cash back for doing healthy activities. United Healthcare offers something called Care Cash, where we're putting dollars on a debit card for you for doing healthy activities, and you can use that money to pay for your preventative care and your other healthcare needs.
And doctor, talk to us a little bit about why preventative care is so important and kind of helps us save money in the long run.
As a primary care physician, I always preach the importance of having that relationship with a primary care doctor and getting your annual screenings done and whatever is recommended based on your age and your unique needs. Catching something early, it's much easier to treat. The costs are going to be lower for you. So if it's been a while since you've seen your primary care physician, it's time to make that appointment.
Awesome. Well, in our final minute here, just let us know where we can go, maybe to get some more information on how to take advantage of some of those benefits.
You can get more information at uhc.com.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Dr. Rhonda Randall, thank you so much for being with us here on Good Day. Really appreciate your time. Have a good day.
Thank you. Be well.
You too.